up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, rubs hands like bourbon. So today we got some goodies, y'all. As my channel expands, I want to invest back into my channel. So first things first is my lights. My lights and my backdrop finally came in, so I'm so excited to unbox these with you guys. Y'all, I am so freaking excited. You just don't understand how excited I am. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscription button. I mean, you done came back for multiple videos by now, so go ahead and hit that subscription button. It's not going to cost you anything. It's totally free. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that way you can be updated anytime I upload anything here on my channel. If you want to leave a comment, leave a comment. I reply to all comments, no matter what it is. And yeah, I'm going to start rambling on and we're going to get right into this video. All right. First box. Y'all, I'm so freaking excited. You just don't understand. Like, you know, it's exciting when you're really passionate about something and, you know, you invest back into your passion. So every time you get something new to improve what you're doing, you just get so freaking excited. That's how I'm feeling about these lights. I'm so freaking excited. That's how I feel about these lights, yo. Okay. Oh, and it also comes with the instruction page. It also comes with an instruction page, so this is good. I will leave the link in the description box below to where I received all of these items from. Now, the light set, the umbrella lights that I got, it comes with 2 umbrella lights. I got all of this for either $32.99 or $39.99. And it comes with 2 umbrellas. Anything else in there? Nope. It comes with 2 umbrellas. They both come with their own stand kit. So that way you can twist things on and twist things off. And it looks like, oh, it's adjustable. Okay, bed. Bruh. Bed. Okay, it's adjustable so that way you can, you know, make it taller or shorter if you want to. So each lamp set comes with the sticks. This is the other stick for the other one. I'm gonna sit that right there. Comes with, let's see, what is this? Okay, it comes with the plug, the charger. Is this for the, no, this is for the light bulb. This is to what you're gonna put the light bulb in. I slick want to set it up. But I'm going to have to sit here and play with it for a little bit. And that's going to take some time. So it comes with 2 of these, 1 for each stand. It comes with the umbrellas, 1 for each stand. Let's see. And I think it comes with light bulbs. It comes with light bulbs. I'm going to test these light bulbs out, but I read, you know, in the description, not description, but in the reviews that the light bulbs don't, you know, shine as bright as you would think they would, which is fine. I don't have a problem with going to get some more light bulbs. So I'm going to test these out first to see how these do, and if they aren't as bright as I want them to be, then I'll just go out and get some more light bulbs. But it comes with 2 light bulbs. And these are 45 watt light bulbs. So we'll definitely have to see about those. Alright. So that's one box. This other box is big as crap. And it's heavy. So hold on. This other box is, sorry, I'm looking, you know, in my viewfinder, but this other box is my backdrop. My backdrop stand. I still have to get some fabrics because I want to use different fabrics. I don't want to just be all, you know, plain Jane or whatever with like a white back, like a white backdrop. If that was the case, I could have keep using my wall, but I want to, you know, make the channel lively and festive with different color backdrops for each video and all this good stuff. So I'm definitely gonna invest in that. Why is this up? Definitely going to invest in that. I am excited. Well, I'm really having a hard time opening this box. Like, what's the deal? All right. Backdrop. So, got the little protective paper. Yay! Alright, I'm gonna put the box down. Oh, and it comes in its own carrying case. Oh, that's love. That's straight. Okay. Bet. Alright, let me see. Let me see now. Let me see you get down low. Oh, that's straight. Oh, I could probably fit my, you know what? If I wanted to take my lights with me, I could probably fit my lights in here too. You know, just make sure I package it well. But it comes in a carrying case. I like that. And this was $32.99 if I'm not mistaken. Like for the entire purchase itself, I spent $67.49. So, which isn't bad. So I definitely leave the links in it. Oh, shucky ducky now. So it comes with another one of these? Yo. Oh, my mind is percolating. My mind is percolating. Okay. And I'm gonna do a separate video on how I install and hook all of these up, so definitely stay tuned for that. Okay, all right. Y'all, I'm excited. Okay, so these are the legs. Hell, I think these are the legs. Shoot. Oh, yeah. Well, no, now. Well, we'll see. We'll see once we put it together. I want to say these are the legs. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to test all of this out. I'm going to go by Home Depot as well to get the clamps for it to like hold the actual backdrop onto the stand. I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get some of those. And y'all, we gonna be in business. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I don't think y'all understand. Like, I'm so passionate about what I do. And whenever I can just add great quality material and products to my channel, it just makes me even more excited to pump these videos out. Oh my gosh. It's finna be lit, yo. It's finna be litty, lit. I'm excited. I'm excited. I am excited. So yeah, guys, that was today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscription button if you haven't already. If you like my videos, definitely give me a thumbs up. Definitely leave a comment down in the comment section. Like I said, I reply to every single comment that someone puts on my videos. I really enjoy interacting with you guys, so definitely leave a comment down in the comment section below. If you have any materials at all that you have either reviewed or you tried out that you think that I should try out, definitely leave those down there as well. I don't mind, taking up the recommendations. I don't mind that at all. Yeah, so I love you guys. We're almost to 100K. I mean, yeah, that's a little far-fetched, but we almost to 100K, bro. We working our way up to 100K, and with all this new material that I'm adding to my channel, we'll get there in no time. So I thank you all for coming by for yet another video. I love you all, and Lord willing, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.
Say my name, say my name.